This is a series of videos in which Philip Maris interviews Dr. John Ricketts, the author of the book Exceeding the Goal: Adventures in Strategy, Information Technology, Computer Software, Technical Services, and Goldrat's Theory of Constraints. In this series about applying constraint management or the theory of constraints to information technology, I'd like now to ask you about technical debt and legacy systems. What do you have to say about that?
Technical debt is the price paid later for something done or not done today. Oftentimes it comes from taking shortcuts. For instance, a quick and dirty code change or a quick and dirty configuration change today is more likely to produce a bug that gets discovered later. Technical debt is insidious because it tends to be cumulative. Over the entire life cycle of a software product or application, maintenance is often the biggest cumulative expense. Yet maintainability is rarely a formal requirement during development. Crushing technical debt is an anti-pattern for strategy. It happens when systems become too valuable to retire, too inflexible to meet current requirements, and too expensive to replace. Although the incentive is strong, it's financially and technically difficult to rescue an IT portfolio when it suffers crushing technical debt, because you can't just reverse course. You've got to plan and execute a separate path out of the swamp.
What about legacy systems, John? I mean, legacy systems are often the largest part of IT budgets, and yet I find they're not often discussed. They're sort of a necessary evil, but what do you say about legacy systems?
A conservative definition of legacy systems is they are any older generation of technology. A radical definition of legacy systems is that they are anything running in production, even if built with modern technology. Regardless of which definition is adopted, the largest portion of IT budgets may go to keeping mission-critical legacy systems running. The challenge IT executives face is balancing development of new systems on the leading edge versus maintenance and enhancement of legacy system on the trailing edge. Legacy systems may not be exciting, but some enterprises will grind to a halt if their legacy system fails. And replacing legacy systems is ferociously hard when they execute the business rules that create competitive advantage. If you could find a software package that did what a mission-critical legacy system does, your competitors could adopt the same package and erase your competitive advantage.
Great, John. Thanks for giving your point of view on technical debt and legacy systems. In the next video, we'll be talking about IT budgets.